Hello everyone. In this video, we will derive a formula to calculate compound interest. In our last video, we calculated compound interest stepwise, but that is not an easy method, it's a lengthy method. So we will derive a formula which can directly calculate the compound interest. For that, let's assume our principal be P1 and our interest rate be R%. So if we have this, then we know our interest at the end of year 1 would be R%, so R upon 100 of P1, or that's, so I can write it as P1 R upon 100. That is my equation 1. Now we know that amount is equal to principal, so in this case principal 1 plus I1. Principal plus interest is amount, so I'll call this amount 1. So that would be P1 plus P1 R upon 100. Now P1 is common between both these terms, so I'll take common out. If I take common out P1, then in bracket remains, in this place it is only 1 because P1 we have taken out, and in this place it will be R upon 100. A1 is equal to R upon 100, and that's my equation 2. And we know P2, for compound interest, the principal for the second year is same as A1, which means that is same as P1 into 1 plus R upon 100. That would be our equation 3. Now let's start second year. Now for second year, I2 would be R upon 100 rate percent multiplied by P2. R upon 100 of P2. So that would be R upon 100 of P2. What is P2? P2 is P1 into 1 plus R upon 100. So that is our equation 4. We got I2. Let's find the amount at the end of 2 years. So A2 is going to be P2 plus I2. P2 is this one, P1. So from equation 3rd, we'll get P2, which is P1 into 1 plus R upon 100. And what is I2? I2 is from equation 4. That is P1 R upon 100 into 1 plus R upon 100. Now, if we look at these two terms, P1 into R upon 100, this is common because here is P1 and here is 1 upon R plus 100. P1 multiplied by. So they are common. So we'll take the common out. So we'll take common P1 plus R upon 100 out. And what remains? What we get is, from this we get only 1 because we have taken entire thing out. Plus from here we have taken P1 and this out. So remains is R upon 100. And if you see here, 1 plus R upon 100 into 1 plus R upon 100. So the same term multiplying itself. So it is a square. So P1 1 plus R upon 100 square. And this is the amount. We started with this principal here. We started with R, the same R. And what is this 2? What does this 2 indicate? This 2 indicates that we have calculated the interest at the end of second year. So this 2 indicates the term. Hence we can write the formula for amount at the end of nth year. So amount at the end of nth year is equal to P1 into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n, because we are finding amount at the end of n years. And here n is the term, actually not n years, it is nth term, at the end of nth term. But this gives amount, this does not give CI, but we know how to calculate CI. So CI, compound interest, is equal to amount minus principal at the first year, P1, and that will give us the compound interest. So let's solve one sum to see how our formula works. Find CI on a sum of rupees 8,000 for 2 years at 5% per annum compounded annually. Now here, this is very important, compounded annually. We will understand about this in our next videos. But right now, just remember that because it is compounded annually, 2 years means there are 2 terms. So let's write the givens. Principal is equal to, now here term we are indicating with letter n. So what is the formula? Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. We'll replace the values. If you see here, it is 1 plus means 105 upon 100 square. That would be 8,000 multiplied by 105 upon 100 multiplied by 5 upon 100. 2 zeros gone, 2 zeros gone. Now here between them, 520s are 100, 521s are 20, 24s are. So we get 4 into 105 into 21, and that's equal to and that is our amount. So if I calculate CI, amount minus principal, and therefore compound interest is rupees 820.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.